How do workplace injury claims differ from workers' compensation claims? Breaking news for employees and employers alike. The question on many minds right now is how workplace injury claims differ from workers' compensation claims. If you have been injured at work or know someone who has, understanding these differences could be vital. Just earlier this week, discussions around workplace safety and employee rights gained traction, making this topic even more relevant. Workplace injury claims and workers' compensation claims are two distinct paths for seeking compensation after an injury at work. Workers' compensation claims operate under a no-fault system. This means that employees do not need to prove that their employer was negligent to receive benefits. Instead, they can access predetermined benefits like medical care and wage replacement. This system is designed to provide quick and straightforward assistance to injured employees. However, it does come with limitations. Workers' compensation typically excludes damages for pain and suffering and punitive damages. In many cases, it is the exclusive remedy against an employer. This means that employees usually cannot sue their employer for negligence if workers' compensation is in place, except in rare situations like intentional harm or lack of insurance. On the other hand, workplace injury claims fall under personal injury law. These claims requiring proving that an injury resulted from someone's negligence or wrongful conduct. This could involve third parties, such as subcontractors or equipment manufacturers, who are not covered by workers' compensation. Personal injury claims can lead to broader compensation. This includes damages for pain and suffering, emotional distress, loss of future earnings, and sometimes punitive damages. However, these claims often involve more complex legal procedures, such as gathering evidence and possibly going to trial. They typically requiring more aggressive legal representation to establish fault and negotiate or litigate the claim. In essence, workers' compensation claims offer faster benefits without needing to prove fault but limit the types of damages available. In contrast, workplace injury claims can provide higher compensation by proving negligence, especially when a third party is involved. The choice between the two often depends on the severity of the injury, the responsible parties, and the types of damages sought. As discussions around workplace safety continue to evolve, staying informed about these legal avenues can empower you to make the best decisions for your situation.